So we are a lightweight to medium manufacturer of metal products. So what we do is we assemble metal products and we put them together. In this particular facility, we're assembling the front rail for the Jeep Cherokee, and we also do the floor pan for the Brampton Assembly Plant where they make the Challenger and the Charger. That product's been here for a long time, the Charger and the Challenger, but the rails are the new investment that we've put all the money into and all brought in all that new technology. So we've invested between $40 and $50 million between our older line in terms of refurbishing it, keeping it alive and having it, extend the life of that program. But we've also put a significant amount of money into our WL program, which is the rail lines. Very large lines that have numerous new technologies. They are as long as a football field. There's 23 subcells that actually manufacture small components that go into that. All of that is a significant change and a paradigm shift in terms of manufacturing. In order to run the lines, we need a lot of skills. Those skills are primarily robotics, mechatronics, controls, electricians, a lot of skilled people. We're lean manufacturing. We teach lean manufacturing. When we do that, we want to have those people who solve problems on the floor and help us be a better company. But in parallel with that, we're trying to create people. But at the same time, they're making themselves better. They're actually learning and they're developing. And I think you'll hear that from our workforce, that when they think of our plant, they think of the growth, the opportunity. Besides the job security that goes with it, we want to make sure people have opportunity to develop in their own careers.
I started on the line as production associate, and I dabbled into maintenance a little bit, and now I got into quality. So there's room to grow in whichever department you feel like. That's what I like about Martinrea.
The fact that I get to work beside different people every day has made it easier for me to speak to people like inside and outside the workplace. What I like most about Martinrea is definitely the people, for sure. They make it really fun to work here.
They gave me opportunity. They gave me a 1 month training, special training for me. What I did was my 100%. I put 100% work, hard work, smart work, everything, which resulted me, after getting that job, in 6 months, I got a pay raise, and even I'm in line to get another promotion. And I'm seeing that every 8 months I'm getting moved upward and upwards.
I came from working at a grocery store and in fast food. Never stepped foot in a factory in my life. I wasn't sure what to expect when I came here, but I've learned manufacturing, people skills, and training abilities, skilled trade, I guess, for welding. I think I've developed a lot here at Martinrea.
You come across lots of people who are coming from different backgrounds. So it's basically you are connecting to whole world. If you are looking for great foundation and you want to develop your skills here, you are looking forward in a bright future, I would say just join Martinrea.
Year over year, we plan to develop more people, do more training, and developing people to new levels that we need and that will help them become successful and develop new careers for them. And what that does when you extrapolate that out over the community, that's people spending money in restaurants and in grocery stores and retail and downtown mall in Tillsonburg. I mean, that money is being spread throughout Oxford and Norwich, and that's 500 jobs eventually. Right now we're at 375, but we expect to grow. Martinrea is a global manufacturer. Where we situate our plants is based on the proximity to our customers, and Tillsonburg is ideally located between some of our best markets, Detroit being one of them. The Greater Toronto area is another one. We were already in this footprint, but we expanded this footprint because, well, one, how well the plant was performing. It's an optimum situation for Martinrea to actually invest here. Our customer, our logistics, accessibility to the local schools, to the talent pool that we needed to run this building. Tillsonburg just worked on a number of different levels. So we decided that this was the place to put this product and this line. At the end of the day, our customer needs to have a quality product, and we have technologies that measure and monitor and check our parts leaving the lines. All of that is a significant change and a paradigm shift in terms of manufacturing. We're happy that it came here to Tillsonburg, and I think that in the long term, over the next 6 to 7 years on this program, and the great job our team's doing, we'll win the next contract, and it'll just be a long and happy marriage between Stellantis and us, and provide jobs in this community for a lot of years. On behalf of Martinrea and the employees here in Tillsonburg at Martinrea, I'd like to thank the Tillsonburg District Chamber of Commerce and the Town of Tillsonburg for the award. We really appreciate the recognition, and Martinrea is very happy to grow and develop in Tillsonburg and provide jobs and security to all of our employees.